Hello and welcome to WPKlik's YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change your WordPress username. Your username and password are the first things that you set when you first start using WordPress. After a while, you may start feeling like your username doesn't fit you anymore and you may want to change it. Unfortunately, that's easier said than done, since WordPress doesn't allow it by default. You'll have to do it by creating a new account and transferring your old content to it, or using a plugin. The third way to change your username is to use phpMyAdmin. Let's first try changing the username manually. Navigate to Users and click on Add New in your WordPress dashboard. Now enter your desired username and insert the rest of the information. At this stage, you can also make a strong password. Choose your combination of characters or stick with the one of WordPress's automatically generated passwords. Also, don't forget to set the account's role to administrator. Bear in mind that your new username requires a new email address, different from the one you use for your current account. This is only temporary. You will be able to change it to your original email address once you finish the process. Now log out of your WordPress site and log back in using your new account. Navigate to the Users tab again and look for your old admin account. Click on Delete underneath the username for your old account. Now you will have to take care of the content owned by the user you want to delete. Select the option labeled Attribute All Content To and choose your new username from the drop-down menu. This way you'll ensure that your existing posts will have a new username as author. This last step will make sure that the ownership of all your pages is transferred from your old to your new account. Now you can click on Confirm Deletion, and that's all. Now to the second method. For this one, you'll need to install and activate a plugin called Username Changer. When you're all set, navigate to Users and find the username field. Select the username you want to change. Now enter the new username and save the changes. Simple as that. The third and the most complex method is to use phpMyAdmin. To start, log into your cPanel. Choose the database your blog is hosted in. Next, find your WordPress database. Find the WP Users field on the left-hand side and click on it. Now click on the username that you want to edit. Change your username or user login to your new name. Finally, click the Go button and you're all set. And that's it. Just pick the method you prefer for changing your WordPress username and good luck. For more information on this topic, check out the description and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.